Hi ladies, welcome back. Today's video is a little extra. It is my last minute beauty gift buying guide. Yes, if like me, you have left things a little bit to the last minute, don't worry, I have got some fabulous little finds for you. Very affordable and a couple of little extra special bits. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. So the first item is something that was gifted to me and I have absolutely loved it ever since. I've gifted the same thing to my sister and to my sister-in-law and they adore it too. It not only helps you sleep, but it also stops lines and wrinkles from getting worse overnight. It is my Sleep and Glow pillow. It is a beauty pillow designed specifically to not only help you sleep, but to stop lines and wrinkles from forming or getting worse as we sleep with this incredible cutaway technology. It is super soft. It is a sensational beauty pillow. It comes with a silk pillowcase. It is divine. This Sleep and Glow pillow has been proven to work. There are hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews. It actually works by helping you sleep. So when you do lie on your side, you're not smooshing up your face as happens with a normal pillow. So when you do lie on your side, you're being supported, but your face isn't being crushed, because as we age, our collagen production is falling off of a cliff. And if we have any pressure over a considerable amount of time, and of course we're in bed for a lot of the time, it is actually going to impact our face. We're going to get sleep lines and static lines. Having a pillow that not only supports you while you sleep, so you get a good restful night's sleep, but also stops your pillowcase and your pillow from smooshing up your face is super fantastic. I absolutely adore this. I'm going to link it for you below. It is a fantastic gift for somebody that either has everything or is a beauty fan and is just hoping to get the perfect beauty night's sleep. The next item is my eye saviors. So I have a couple that I want to talk to you about, but I absolutely love Grace and Stella. This one here is, they call it like an energy drink for your under eyes. They come in these lovely little sealed packets. They are packed, I don't know whether the camera will pick it up if I squish that, packed with hyaluronic acid, amino acids and sea moss. So it has the, creme de la mer, and that has sea algae. It's got the same kind of ingredients that's helping the under eyes. I slip these on most mornings, just pat them on as I go and make my coffee before obviously I've popped on my cosmetics. Comes in a nice big box. There are 20 masks in here for tired under eyes. Energizing eye mask for tired under eyes. Fabulous little stocking filler, this one. Love that and will not do without them. My next one is for the under eyes as well. Again, will not do without. It is definitely the perfect little stocking filler or a little extra trinket gift, if you like, for a loved one. It is Sunday Riley Auto Correct. This stuff is magical. It is so good. It comes out, it's kind of like a beigey little cream. I normally use my ring fingers and pat it under my eyes. I just pop some on there over my makeup. It is so good. It diminishes blueness or purple. It really is great at making the eyes look awake, and it is fantastic at concealing lines and wrinkles, and it's great under concealer. I absolutely love that one. So that's my under eye cream, Sunday Riley Auto Correct. My next idea is more of a splurge, but there are some fantastic offers, and it is the ZIIP Halo. I talk about it all the time. I did a video just last week. It is, for me, my jawline savior. So I literally use this for 3 minutes every day. It is a fantastic device that actually works. It has microcurrent and nanocurrent. It is superb technology. It's so simple to actually integrate into your skincare routine. It's a great gift for somebody special, or it's the perfect treat for you this Christmas time. My next gift idea is a book. It is The Science of Beauty, and it's all about unlocking the secrets of skincare and understand the science behind your favorite products and buys. Because let's face it, you can listen to somebody like me, and yes, I am an educator and I've been in the beauty industry for over 32 years, but oftentimes it might feel like I'm selling. And I do get that. I totally understand that there are influencers everywhere and a lot of us do get paid to promote products. I have an absolute strict rule. I will never ever endorse anything or discuss anything that I don't truly believe in. This book cuts out all of the middlemen. This actually is superb. It debunks the myths and discover what goes into your beauty routine. Fabulous little gift for yourself. I think it's a great one for anybody to have on their bedside cabinet. Now, if you're into reading, this lady here is also superb. She might not be everybody's cup of tea, but she does know her stuff. This is Caroline Hirons' book. It is her no-nonsense guide. It's the skincare book. What's it called? It is the New Edit. Skincare New Edit. A great stocking filler. A great gift for maybe one of your younger relatives that are just starting out in their skincare journey. There's a lot of teens out there that are wanting to get into skincare, and this will be a great guide because it touches on all skin types, all skin ages, all skin complaints. So for me, this is a fabulous, I am a bit of a geek, I know, but this is a fabulous gift. If I woke up to these wrapped up under the Christmas tree, I'd be super happy. Next to actual skincare and great stocking fillers or just something to treat yourself this weekend is the Embryolisse little dynamic duo. This I've talked about so often on this channel, so many times. I will not do without it. It is like luxury in a tube. It is fantastic. French pharmacy product that I will never be without. This is new to me and it is the Embryolisse Rose Serum Cream. Let me have a look. How do they call it? They call it the Radiant Complexion Cream Anti-Fatigue Skincare Rose Glow. So let's open it up. This arrived yesterday and I've saved it. So it does have like a rose tint. It looks like a thick balm. And so that's the lining of the lid. As you can see, it's like this. So let's pop it on the back of my hand. Does it tint? Well, it goes on. First of all, it smells amazing. Goes on like a dream, has literally just gone straight into my skin. And what it does, the lights might be a bit bright actually for this, but it creates, it's almost like it just smooths the skin, gives you that youthful rosy glow, I suppose. It's very dewy. And I saw somebody use this on Instagram and I was utterly hooked. I was fixated by it because her skin afterwards looked sensational. So that is a little new to me, little gift to me, to myself. Absolutely love that. This I am absolutely totally obsessed with and can't wait to use it on a daily basis. So it really is just a radiant complexion serum or balm to give you a rosy glow. Any skin type, any skin tone, it's going to actually enhance and make you look youthful, hydrated and glowy. It literally is anti-fatigue skincare, rose glow, radiant complexion cream. I love this, I'm obsessed with this one. My next little stocking filler is a little bit different. This is a Cryo roller. Now you might have seen something similar in plastic. The problem with plastic is that they cool off very quickly. Now this one is a roller for your face and neck or wherever you want to use it. You basically pop that in your fridge or freezer, clip it into the handle, and then we're going to roll our face first thing in the morning or whenever you really need it. If you're having a bit of a hot day, as you know, we all have those, it's perfect for cooling you off. But what this does is it depuffs and the Cryo sends a little bit of a shock to the cells which cause the cells to get active and create collagen. It does work. It is proven to work. We've all heard of cold water swimming and all of that and cold plunging. Well, we know how that affects the body. Basically, it puts the body into a state of shock, which then creates a reaction. It gets the body working again, a metabolism going, and it's the same for the skin. So this is a great little stocking filler. It comes with it. You get the extra roller, you've got the white handle there, and it comes in a nice box. I absolutely love that. Now, top tip, if you do put it in the freezer, be careful not to apply it to your skin straight away. You know what happens if you put your tongue on frozen things, it can get stuck. We don't want any accidents. Just give it a minute so it actually has cooled off, warmed up ever so slightly. So we're almost there. When it comes to taking my makeup off, I like a cleansing balm. I love something that I can use with water, and I splash water everywhere. These are an absolute godsend for me, because what I can't stand is when you've splashed your face with water and then water dribbles down your gown or your pajamas or whatever you're wearing. Isn't it horrible? I hate it. These are a little set that comes with a fabulous little hairband, or crown as I like to call it. And these are a fabulous little gift, if not for a grown woman, for a younger woman maybe. I know, I am a grown woman, but I'm definitely a younger woman at heart. They come in a set. There are so many colours. Obviously, I'll link everything for you below. Great little stocking filler, I think. A gift that I highly recommend you look at, and perhaps for yourself, are decent makeup brushes. It took me until I was 55 to actually get myself some makeup brushes, and I've just been reaching for my pot just here. Makeup brushes literally change the way that you apply makeup and the way that your makeup sits on your face. It is absolutely true. I never believed it before until I actually invested in buying myself some from BK Beauty. I actually bought the Essentials Face and the Essentials Eye set, and I have to say they've been a game changer. I feel that I am now starting to apply my makeup a little bit better, and I don't look like Coco the Clown when I go out on the high street. It is absolutely true what they say. You get what you pay for, and these brushes are just the most softest, the most easy to use, and they leave no trace when you actually apply your foundation or your liquid blush or whatever you're doing. You know what I mean by that, when you've applied your foundation, you've got a brush and you can see the scrapes of the bristles on your face close up. None of that. This is definitely a must-have gift. Now, I treated myself to these, and I have to say, if I were to open those up on Christmas Day, I would be absolutely overjoyed. Fabulous little gift idea. So I'm almost there. This gift here is something that I would recommend for fragrance lovers and those of us that love luxury fragrances, but perhaps have never found a smelly-like, I don't like to use the word dupe, a smelly-like version of the Baccarat Rouge. Baccarat Rouge is around about £250, $300. It's a lot of money, and it is iconic. It's a beautiful fragrance. This here is what I would say the closest to the Baccarat Rouge. If anything, it is a hair away from the original, but honestly, you will not notice it. Beautiful packaging, fabulous fragrance, absolutely stunning little stocking filler or a gift for yourself. Definitely recommend this one. So there you have it, ladies. I hope that I have inspired you. Perhaps you've kind of run out of steam and you're not sure about the perfect gift for that perfect somebody, and I hope that perfect somebody is you. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments. I do respond to everybody. I've linked everything that I've shown you today in the description box below, and I will see you on the next video, which is coming up here. Bye for now.